Hello everyone, this is Brian Thompson of Group 3 for the Ford Motor Company case study. In regards to the case study evaluation and review of the implementation of the project, virtual integration implementation has allowed Ford Motor Company to become a more efficient supply chain, responding to customer needs in real time while lowering the cost of holding inventories. By deploying their Ford production system, synchronized materials flow, and inline vehicle sequencing, Ford Motor Company is able to seamlessly deliver just-in-time products to their vast Ford retail network, while communicating instantaneously information to all of their Level 1, 2, and 3 supply chain partners. This efficiency achieved through the project has allowed the company to narrow their needed suppliers by 25%, while better meeting the needs of customers through greater company control at the retail level and a pull process mentality. The Ford retail network continues to grow, allowing the company to standardize ordering systems and how information flows from the time of order placement to the delivery of customer-specified new vehicles. In regards to the current status update of Ford Motor Company, profits continue to soar for the Ford Motor Company through the use of a more efficient supply chain achieved by integrating virtually all components of the order fulfillment process. The OTD, or order delivery times, have been reduced to 15 days, allowing customers to receive their customized vehicles quickly and increasing overall customer satisfaction. The efficiency achieved by the company and a seamless, lean supply chain has increased stock prices in recent years, and the stakeholders of the company continue to be satisfied with the growth, expansion, and margins that they're seeing. The company is looking to the future by utilizing blockchain technology and supply chain automation to continue their efficiency efforts. The institution of this technology in the near future will allow Ford Motor Company to lower their order-to-delivery times by even greater amounts going forward.